when you have those moments with your advisors and your mentors, don't think about like the one-off thing. I found that a lot of times people get into the nitty-gritty stuff. Like, think about it as this person's here to help make you a better person in your career and your life. So if I only have one moment with them or 1 minute, what is it that I really want to ask them, right? So
yeah, the big picture stuff, not the this is my problem at this moment stuff.
Yeah, just take a step back and like write it down so that the individuals that are mentoring and coaching you are able to put their best foot forward and help you solve really tough problems as well. Because again, they're there for the blind spots. And I know I've appreciated so many successful stories in my life through those individuals as well. So that's what I would say. I'd leave everyone with their marketing career and sort of advice that I